Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create Twitter fleets. So Twitter fleets is a new feature provided by Twitter. So to get Twitter fleets, basically you need to make sure your Twitter is up to date. So if you guys do not see Twitter fleets option, which is right over here, then basically your Twitter is not up to date. So make sure your Twitter is up to date. And basically what Twitter fleets are is like Twitter fleets are like story version. So if you upload anything on Twitter fleets, it's gonna be disappeared after 24 hours. It's basically like Instagram story, Facebook story. So Twitter fleets are stories. So yeah, before I show you guys how you guys can create one, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And yeah, let's start the video without any further ado and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So let's get on with it. So first you can click on this button at the top with add written in it. It's basically to add Twitter fleet. You can click on the plus icon. Now it's going to take you to your gallery. Now you can choose a photo or a video from your gallery to upload it, or basically what you can do is click on where it says video and upload a video as well. Like click on continue, allow. Now you can record a video using Twitter's camera to upload a fleet, just like you use your Instagram story camera to upload stories. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Or you can even add text to it. Like just go on your fleet, just click where it says text over here, and you can add a text over here. So I'm gonna upload a fleet with text. I'm gonna write good day, right? And I click on done, and I can click on where it says fleet over here and wait for some time. It's posting, and it has been posted over here. Now this fleet is gonna be deleted after 24 hours. So this is basically how you guys can create a fleet on Twitter. You can also choose a photo from your gallery, as I told you. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out. Have a nice day.